Assalamu alaikum everybody, said I'm back again with another YouTube video, guys. Today's YouTube video we will be going over how I lost $220, something like that, $218, I don't know. But it's $220, it was last week. It was a day trade that I took. So we're gonna go over that. We're gonna see why I took the trade, my ideology behind it, or my theory behind it. And yeah, let's get into the video. I think it's a pretty interesting video. I wanted to take a little bit of a break with the free trading course because I realized that like the course is obviously a good thing. But of course, I haven't dropped a breakdown video in a while, and I wanted you guys just to know how real trading looks. And sometimes you're gonna take losses, sometimes you're gonna take winners. But yeah, let's get into the video. Should be pretty short and sweet. And yeah, so market opened right over here, guys. This is SPY, by the way. Market opened right over here, and you'll notice after a little bit of downturn, we started to go on a very, very strong push to the upside, right? And so obviously, right, if you see, we had gapped up from the previous day. So gap up, pull back, strong uptrend, right? Now, because of the fact that this uptrend, or I should say the upside move, was very late into the morning, and then we just started to consolidate a little bit, I thought that we were going to have a reversal, especially because, when there's a gap, we might actually end up filling that gap. That's what I was thinking. Not all the way, maybe just partially, and we did end up filling it a little bit over here, but I thought we'd end up going a little bit lower than that, right? So I thought we were going to have this reversal, consolidation, reversal go down, fill the gap, etc. Right? Now that's not exactly what ended up happening, as we can probably tell later on, but what I saw was we had price failing to go higher above here, and this was a very strong key level in the market, right? Now, why is it a key level? Look right over here. Price comes back, has a small retest, down. Comes back, down. Comes in, rejections, right? If you look at these price action candles, I've talked about this in the free course. You have bullish price action. Now, what ends up happening once you get to a key level? Bullish price action starts to dwindle down. Bearish price action starts to come back up. Right, and then the same thing over here. We have strong bullish price action. Bearish price action starts to come into play. Bullish price action is dwindling down. We have dojis, we have weakening candles, and then strong bearish action. Right, so we had seen that once before over here, seen that twice, and now when it came back a third time, I thought we were just going to repeat that. I was looking for a decent amount of momentum to the downside to step into the market, just because again, you can look at the time. It's 11:30. Right, it's later in the day, so it is later in the day. I'm looking for a little bit more momentum just to get a little bit more confirmation. Now, I got that confirmation right around here. I think it was over here. So I put my stop loss a little bit below where the actual zone was, but above these previous highs. And I was just looking to take price from here to like maybe down here, easy 1 to 3. Maybe I'd cut it short at like a 1 to 2.5, something like that. Oops. 1 to 2.5, just in case it would reverse prior to that, something like that, right? But that was the whole trade ideology, right? So we have a gap up, we go higher, we're failing to go higher from here. We have this key level that we're continuously retesting with a lot of price action coming over here. Also, just noting what I know about the stock market, guys, volume dies down after 11 a.m., significantly dies down after 11 a.m. So what did I know is that because of that, chances are we might have a reversal, right? Because all the bullish volume has been dried out. At least that's what I thought. And again, I saw the price action, I saw the rejections, I entered, and I just got stopped out. And unfortunately, if you continuously look, we just actually ended up going higher and higher. So, I was wrong on that, guys. I will fully admit. And then eventually we did end up going a little bit lower, which sucks because I was just a little bit early, right? So we did go higher, but then we did have that consolidation period right over here again, only to go down lower. Would I have found a trade entry, guys, if I continue looking? Probably not. I'm going to be completely honest with you here. I don't really see anything strong of a retest over here. The level that I would look to retest will be over here, and you'll notice price just doesn't come back. I would like this pullback to come into this, and then I would have probably took a short if I saw this exact same price action. Just never does, so I didn't get another entry. I was watching the charts there. Maybe you could have actually gotten a trade from over here. However, that's way, way late into the market. You'll notice this is 2 p.m. I don't trade at that time. I don't even know if this plays out, honestly. Let's see. It actually did play out pretty well. So it did continuously go down. You probably could have scalped 2% on this, but it's fine, guys. I took a loss. Is it a bad loss? No, I followed my trading plan. What I thought was going to happen didn't happen. That's okay though, because I thought that everything that I did followed my plan. Followed my trading plan, followed my risk management. I followed good trading psychology. Everything about this trade was good. I just happened to end up losing. I wanted to show you guys this just so you guys can know that sometimes we just take losers or so. This is from that community post that I pulled up. You see, took a $200 loss. I don't know if you can see that, but this is from the community post. So if you actually want to see, you can see that I actually did take that loss. I show proof of taking that loss. I don't know why anybody would think that I didn't take a loss when I said I took a loss, but in case you guys are wondering, and go to my YouTube channel, go to the community post that I posted, and you can literally see proof that like, hey, I took this trade and I did lose it. Let me see, I could probably pull it up if you give me like 1 second. How do I do this? I go to my channel. Oh, yeah, look. So if you go to the community tab, you can see that I post about taking that loss right over here. And yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. Sometimes you're just gonna have losers. You can't really do anything about it. I think I did pretty good, but it is what it is. And yeah, that's it for this video. Like the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.